I was a secret chord that David played and then pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? But it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the powerful king composing hallelujah. Your face was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke a throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the Baby, I've been here before. I knew this room, I walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble march. Love is not a victory march. It's a cold, it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah.